What's the real difference between classical and quantum computing? Let's break it down with a real-world example: temperature sensor data. Classical computers compute step by step, feed in 4 readings, say 22, 23, 24, 25, and it calculates the trend using arithmetic. The result, a clear increasing label. Quantum computers, on the other hand, encode the entire pattern as a quantum state, a vector of probabilities, and compare it against ideal patterns like increasing or decreasing using inner product similarity. Here's the catch. Classical output is exact, but it can miss nuances. Input a noisy set, like 22, 24, 23, 25, and classical logic might still say increasing. But quantum computing sees the uncertainty. Quantum systems output a probability score, how close the trend is to ideal. In this case, 85% similar, showing it's rising, but not perfectly. The major difference? Classical computing is deterministic. One input, one answer. Quantum computing is probabilistic. It explores multiple states at once and finds deeper patterns. Where does quantum shine? In noisy environments, large-scale sensor networks, or when the trend is subtle but critical. Bottom line, classical gives you clear answers fast. Quantum gives you rich insights, especially when data is complex, uncertain, or noisy.